Today is May 12, 2013. It's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there. Let's take a look at some of the momentum and big cap, high beta stock here. And the stock that I will cover in this video is Apple, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Blackberry, and say extra ANGI's list. So let's start off with Apple. As you can see, Apple. Ever since that it booked this 419 and came up and sort of tested this 439, it tried to make its way up to this 470, but failed to reach that level, and it's kind of pulled back a little bit last week. And I expect this probably will come back down and test this somewhere around the 445 and possibly spike it down to 439. And if we take a look at the weekly here, if the weekly chart here, it's all kind of show that it's still holding up this trend line here that it broke. And here's this 439 and the 470 level here. So right now, the MACD is getting turning upward here on the weekly, and you could see this 10-week moving average, which is the 50-day, is flattened out and kind of slightly turning upward. So that's kind of a little bit of a positive sign as well. And if we take a look at the intraday, you can see the intraday have been riding up on this 5-day moving average here. And right now, last week on Friday, it's kind of came back down to this underneath the 5-day, and also the 5-day is kind of rolling over a little bit. So I do expect it to come down, possibly fill up this little gap here. So we'll bring it down to this 448, which is the there's the 10-day EMA riding up here. But it could possibly come back down and test this 438, 439 level, and it could be spike it down here and possibly catch some of the short before it come back up, because I do expect this to come back up and move above this 470. And what I see is that possibly come back down to this level here. Let me get my drawing tool here, and if we maybe possibly come back down to this level, so it could be get down here, then we get up and make a higher high as we get above this 470. Then the next level then will be somewhere around this 480 80 mark here, right here, somewhere around this this level of 485. And I also put up the Fibonacci retracement tool, and we take a look at this particular swing here, right? And you can see that there are some level here that pointing to this 485 here on this 127 extension, and the 141 is sort of within this gap here, but then this 161 will give us this 515, 514 area. So those are the possible level that we might be keeping an eye out. And it's the the 480, the 485, 484 here, right? This level somewhere around. Oops, let me get rid of this. So basically, we are talking about this level. Okay, and then possibly get up to this level here. So those are the level to watch once we get a little pullback, and if it hold up this 439, that could present a buying opportunity to go initiate another swing long and play back up above the 470 and get up to this 484, 485, and then possibly swing it up to the 515. And the next one that we want to look at is Google. As you can see on the weekly, see that Google, I put up this Fibonacci retracement tool, and we're targeting this 900 mark, and right now this 900 is still in the card. You can see the last 2 weeks, big strong up candle here, and so ever since it broke this 819 and it came up and broke the 840, 841 level, it just continued to march up. Right now it's kind of seeing the potential target of 900 here, and it's the see the intraday here. You're just kind of riding up this 5-day moving average. It's continue to marching up to that 900 level, And in the daily, on the daily chart here, you can see that although we got a little doji here, like a shooting star, but last Friday just gap up and keep on moving on. So definitely this is one strong stock. If anybody is thinking about shorting this, it's got to be crazy. So anyway, let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon, like I said, is still in a kind of never land for me. And if we take a look at the weekly here, it came down, booked this level here, this little hammer candle, and then it came back up to this 252 support area, and it seems to be, might be heading up to this 270, 78 area, this trading band. And if we take a look at the day, the intraday, right here is, one could try to trade up to this 277, 276 if you want to do some day trading, but definitely swing trading is kind of a little tricky for me, because it could easily come back down and get below this 5 EMA and come back, retest this level here on this 246, or possibly break this 252, 253 level here. So if you're doing day trading, maybe you just kind of use the 5-day as your stop loss. So if we look at the daily, you can see that it's right in between this this trading band here, and right now it just seems to show a little bit of a positive momentum, but to me there's a better candidate out there to initiate any kind of swing long. Right now, swing long on this thing is, the upside could be here, but the downside, could be easily once it break this 200-day, and especially as it break this 243, that could, the short might, the bear might just, short it down to this 225 area. So let's take a look at Netflix. Netflix was kind of interesting, have a very interesting week. If we go back and take a look at the weekly chart, I was talking about this big candle and this little, spinning top type of a candle, and we're talking about the inside ball formation. And I'm looking at it, saying that there is a higher probability of it breaking above this 224, then try to break down and get down to this 197, 196. And you can see last week it made a little bit of an attempt. And if we take a look at the intraday first, you can see that little attempt here on the Netflix, try to move this thing down, and it booked this here, and immediately it came back up. So it kind of trapped some of the short here. Then, the short continued to try to take it down and could not take it down to this level. So the bull is kind of, getting brave and just keep on pushing it. You can see that the bear kind of successfully tried to take it down, and it just cannot take it down. Every time that they try, the bulls just come up and support it at a higher level. Then on Thursday, as it moving back up above this support or resistance area at the 209.50 area, there's that news came out about the Netflix renewal with the Disney content, and that really got this thing going. And you can see the volume kind of spike up, and if you are not covering your short when it get up to this point, then you basically got trapped here and taking a little beating. So right now it seems to be hitting some minor resistance at this 220, right? And we are looking at to continue to move up and try to break this 224, 225, and it could get up to this 240 area. That's basically what I'm looking at on Netflix. And on Blackberry is also showing some sign that it might be breaking out of this little wedge here, because you can see that it came down here and found some support, moved up and encountered this resistance and pulled back. Alright, pulled back and found a little bit, here's the inside ball, inside candle here, and right now it seems to be breaking away from this inside candle high here. If I let me zoom this up here, you can see that here's the inside candle they were talking about. It tried to break this on Thursday but couldn't hold. Then on Friday it sort of opened just slightly under that, and it tried to take it down, but it wasn't able to successfully take it down. And right now this on a Friday close, it's close above this high here. So it looks like it want to get up to this particular level here on this 1650. So we'll be keeping an eye on this to see would it be able to take it up and break above that 1650. If it break that 1650, there could be a good possibility coming up to this 18 area, and this is forming a nice little bit of a cup and handle pattern here. And the next level that we could see is possibly up at this near this 25 area. So definitely there's going to be some possibility here for Blackberry if it could break some of these key resistance level, especially on this 1650 here. Is on this intraday. You can see that on intraday it also got back up on the 5-day EMA and it's kind of riding this thing up. So definitely there's some pretty good possible potential upside. And then the last one that I was watching, haven't been trading ANGI's list until just recently, and been watching ANGI's list, and if we switch to the weekly, you can see this big candle here. I think it's that's the earning report that came out, and then the profit taking came in and took some profit. It seems to be holding this 22 and change level, right? And if we take a look at the intraday, seems to be holding this particular level here, right? And right now it's getting back up to this 5 EMA. So definitely there might be some possibility if this thing break above this and get up to this particular 2560, 2550 area, then we'd be looking at the possibility of breaking above the 2650, which is this particular peak here somewhere. And if we could break this particular high here, then we get another new all-time high on ANGI's list. I believe that's the all-time high. Yep. So so definitely keep an eye on this. If we break above this this trend line here, look at this, look for the possibility of this level here somewhere around 2470. Then there could be a run up to this 2650 area. So good luck to all you trader out there next week, and once again happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out